Hey everyone, welcome to week 6 of online AP Stats. First thing I want to talk about is if you are interested in the Chapter 2 retake. If we go into the folder, we're going to recall that this actual test was worth 14 points in total. There were 4 points of multiple choice and then 10 points of free response. Of those free response, half of that point was a Chapter 1 FRQ review question. For retake purposes, you are able to either retake just the multiple choice, which again, you can earn up to that solid B. Of the 4 points, I will let you earn back 3.4 points at the most on the multiple choice. For the free response, you are only allowed to do the retake for the 9.5 points, not for the Chapter 1. So for the free response, you can earn up to, let's say it's going to be 8.1 points. So in total on that one, what are we at? 11.5 points would be the maximum you can earn on the retake. So 11.5 out of 14. If you're interested in retaking, absolutely come on in. You do want to look at your test. The retake process is specifically stated here. If you want to retake the multiple choice, please read those directions. Here's where your relearning gets uploaded. To retake the free response, the directions here again, and where your learning is going to be uploaded on that one. Now, for the retake, you are scheduled to have that retake this coming Wednesday. We do have 3 win sessions. So if you are a Link Crew leader, it's going to be a little more crunched for you. But the retake is only allowed during win time. Link Crew leaders for 11th and 12th grade, it looks like 12th graders, you will be locked into win 1 and win 2 for Link Crew. 11th graders are going to be locked into win 1 and win 3. If you're interested in retaking, then see me and I will schedule you for your open win session. If you're not a Link Crew leader, you have a lot more flexibility and you can come and retake again, either portion, multiple choice, free response, or the entire thing. So plan ahead for that. You need to come and see your material no later than by end of day on Tuesday and to look at your test and get your relearning. So make sure you get your relearning in time. Do not hold this down to the last minute. Now, let's talk about the next chapter. Chapter 3 is going to wrap up quarter 1. So as usual, we're going to have 2 deadlines for that one. If we go into Chapter 3, you're going to be learning about basically scatter plots, XY data. We call that bivariate data or linear data. So we're going on to kind of that second dimension. We've been dealing with more one-dimensional singular data. So that is what that learning is about. The first deadline is going to be in that short week of MEA. So we have 1 full week, and then followed by that, you are only here for 2 days. So you have to have your mid-chapter FRQ for Chapter 3 and all of the work above it. So the mid FRQ and then days 1 or the 3.2 all the way back to 3.1. Have that completed by, it looks like here, Tuesday, October 15th. Now, keep in mind, you're going to notice after that deadline, we still have some of 3.2 to actually finish. So it is only the material related to 3.2 ABC and 3.2 DEFG and then section 3.1 that is due. So hopefully you get my pattern by now, everything from the mid FRQ all the way to the start of the chapter. That needs to be done by Tuesday by 3 p.m. on October 15th. Then you're going to come back and we're going to have you finish the material on 3.2. Again, as usual, you're going to have some helpful hints that are great to look at, some vocab if you'd like, your critiques, and your review. Now, because this test is the end of the quarter, this test is not retakeable. And I said here, if you're missing out if you don't do this review and do not hold it to the last minute. Again, there's some more optional practice if you would like that. The deadline here is going to be the win session. It is Thursday, October 24th. You will be scheduled for a win session. And on that one, as I take a look here, we do have just 2 win sessions. So that'll be nice. And you'll have a good 45 minutes to take that exam. This one is worth 12 points. 5 of that is multiple choice. And then the remainder of that will be 7 points of free response. So please make sure you are fully prepared for Chapter 3. Again, not retakeable. That'll wrap up the quarter. So let me know what you need this week in terms of retakes or starting Chapter 3. And have a great week. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.